Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about who can use Flinks services. Flinks is a technology company, specifically a financial data platform. Its primary customers are businesses that need to securely connect to and use their customers' financial data. The main users of Flinks services are not individuals, but rather a wide range of companies and financial innovators. These include 1. Lenders and financial institutions. Banks, credit unions, and various lending companies use Flinks for services like instant bank verification for faster onboarding, automated income and employment verification, underwriting and credit decisioning, which involves analyzing a borrower's financial history to assess risk, fraud detection and mitigation. 2. Fintech companies. Financial technology startups and established companies leverage Flinks to power their digital products. This covers areas such as personal finance management apps, digital banking platforms, wealth management and investment firms, payment and money transfer services. 3. Other businesses. Any business that needs to securely verify a customer's identity, confirm account ownership for direct deposits or payments, or gain insights into a user's financial behavior can use Flinks. This can include companies in real estate, insurance, and more. In short, Flinks provides the infrastructure that allows these companies to connect to their own customers' bank accounts with consent in order to deliver better, faster, and more personalized financial services. So, while individuals are the end users who share their data through Flinks to use a service, the customers who pay for and integrate Flinks technology are the businesses across various financial sectors. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.